Hello everyone, how a ponytail and how a thin strip of hair from the bottom go to the top by using a hair loop and split them into two parts and how each into three parts and how it braided with few strands of hair borrowed from the remaining ponytail making it go in between the braid cap. Continue doing the braiding and how the ends secure the rubber. Make a ponytail and how top section split them into two parts and how each into three parts and how it braided and how strands of hair from the remaining section of the ponytail make it go in between the braids cap and how it at the center. Then with the tails we borrowed, how it braided by twisting them across each other making it into a thicker braid, then secure the end with the rubber band by combining everything. Grab the side of the hair on the top section, tie with the rubber band and grab a few strands of hair from the left side thinner than the first one and drop it into the loop. Do the same for the right side and how both of them combine with the rubber band over the first tail we have. So do it totally 4 times, then after that we are done. Decorate with your lovely hairpin on top of the rubber band and your hair clutcher. Side the side section of the hair, follow it with the section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail and create a gap behind it using your hair loop and drop the tail into it. Then with the section of the hair we said before for the left side and the right side, split them into two parts and how it braided until the midway, then how a rubber band touch the top and middle part and combine it both, then how a loop created in the middle one, drop the tail into it, bend it inwards. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and split them into 3 parts and have a very beautiful hair cluster on top of it that has strings of beads onto that. Then having that one as a tail, how it braided. So this is a very simple braid, we know about it. So cross the first 2 tails so that it goes to the middle, then cross them so that it goes to the corner on the right side, then continue doing it when it reaches on the left side. So this is how you should braid it, it's very simple. So do the braiding until reach the bottom and how it's secure with the rubber band. Make a bow tie out of the excess part of the beads we have, making it into a beautiful design. Make a bunch on top section of the hair and create a loop using your finger. Drop the tail into it, making a twisted loop. Then grab the sides of the hair near to it and tie with the rubber band. Drop the tail into it, make another twisted band over the first tail. So do it until the bottom part of your hair. Then after that, leave the remaining hair as such. Then decorate with your lovely hairpin on top of the rubber band. Grab the sides of the hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band. Have a rubber band touch the middle part, create a loop and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into the parent loop, making a heart and lump. Then grab a few strands of hair from the left side of the bottom section and split them into 3 parts and have it into it in a braid. Do the same braiding on the right side, combine there with the rubber band. Leave the side section of the hair folded over the section of the hair at the back, make a ponytail and cross the right tail making a loop and have the left tail over it and press it down, then cross the tail on the right side and have the right tail dropped into the loop, making a lovely braid and combine them both behind the ponytail we have with the rubber band. Make a bunch on the entire top section of the hair and have it split them into 3 parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with the rubber band. Have a rubber band open on top of your head and hold your entire hair and twist it and make it 180 degrees to the left side and have it go into the rubber band and make it come down. Then have the rubber band go further and extend the hair a little bit further down, making it as a lovely bun. Then twist the entire tail with the remainder we have inside the bun we created. Then continue extending the hair by making it into a lovely shape and decorate with your lovely hair clutcher underneath that, decorating even more further. Grab a section of the hair from the left side, have a rubber band touch the top middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side, combine both the tails together with the rubber band. Split the tail into 2 parts and have a rubber band touch top part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Drop the entire tail into a parent's loop respectively and leave the remaining hair as such. Hold your entire beautiful hair from behind and twist it completely, making it into a thicker shape. Then have it rolled in a clockwise direction, making it as a bun and have the tips hidden underneath the bun we just now created. Then have the whole bun in place by dropping a very beautiful bun clutcher around the bun we have. Thank you everyone for watching this video.